Hello, this is SIP Crawford introducing my project, Deep Dive. Uh, Deep Dive is intended to be an artistic assistant, and it was inspired by my teammate Ian Favreau's idea of recreating Salvador Dali's artwork in a 3D space, and my ideas of creating an AI artistic assistant. And what Deep Dive is, it's intended to be an artistic assistant with many uses and to bridge the gaps between artists and technology. Um, and it could be used to simply make pictures you found more interesting or give artists of any medium a creative boost to finish while facing an art block. And this actually has been used in a game before. I gave it to Ian Favreau to work with and input an asset, a picture of an asset into it, and he got something that looked a lot like a soldier hunkering down, and it became a crucial asset in his game. And so the possibilities are sort of limitless with this, I really think. Uh, and so I think it really works well to create an awesome dual imagery, um, any sort of asset with it. And so without further ado, I'll show the program. Now everything's hosted in Google Colab, which gives me the power to run it and also allows me to set up a nice user experience that allows me to skip having to create a separate README file for everyone to download. And I'll go ahead and run it now. And the really nice thing about this is that you can see it going through every step and displaying exactly what it's doing. And while this is all going through, I'll just give credit where credit is due to my partner, Ian Favreau, who I thought this would be a really scary solo venture for, but without him, I really wouldn't have finished this or be as sane as I am. So I'm going to go ahead and add the raccoon picture. I decided to do a picture of a cute little raccoon. And here we can see it before it gets changed. As you can see, there's nothing really wild about this picture. And here is the output, and I can change any of these sliders to change the strength of this image and all the things that happen in it. And so it'll go through a couple of iterations here, and we'll see the picture start to change before our eyes. And as you can see, it changed a lot. It recognized the mouth of the raccoon and added a ton. There's eyes and animal faces hidden everywhere here. It added an animal in the background. There's all sorts of things happening. And so now we're going to download a 3D model because this pattern is going to be wrapped around as a texture. And so we can see all the areas that were really strongly affected by the Deep Dive program. And down here, this is on the right is the 3D model in its original state. And on the left is going to be the updated version of our newly created texture wrapped around it. And you can stop this at any time you want if you're satisfied with the results. But if not, then it'll just keep on going. And at the end, you'll have like proof that what you created can be used as a texture. It will give you hopefully a lot of interesting ideas on how to beat that art block and carry on making your art. This has been my project deep dive. Thank you for watching.